welcome back to my MS Tutorial Hub. Today we will be practicing a very simple 3D model. The model is roller back bar. So without wasting much time, let's begin with. Select a plane of your choice and then click on sketch. Enter into the 2D sketch. After that, we will start with this rectangle. This rectangle is 80 by 92. So we will use the center rectangle and choose the center rectangle. Click on the origin and drag and place, and then right click and select it. After that, specify the dimension. Here it is 92 and this side is 80. Accept it. After that, we will make this drill hole in a same sketch only to save our time. So here I am randomly drawing 2 circles. Then we will provide the relation and then we will make it constant and then we will exit. So to give the relation, first we will select both the circle by pressing Ctrl and then click on equal and then accept it. Now I will provide the smart dimension for the diameter. Here the diameter is 20. Yes, it is. No, this is 16. Now both the circle being updated, the diameter with 16. Now we will make it, select both the center and make it horizontal because both the circle center is in the same horizontal line. Next we have to provide the value. Here from this origin to the center, the value will be 52 by 2. 52 by 2. That is 26. And from this center point to this center point, it is 52. So this much is correct. Now what we have to do, we have to specify the value with this center point with this horizontal line and make it 20. And now my sketch is completely constrained, so exit from the 2D sketch. See, this is my 2D sketch. Now extrude it, select it, and here we will be using the contour option to create this circular drill hole in a same option. So I am deselecting this contour option, just clear selection. After that, specify the thickness is 18. Now accept it. After that, choose the fillet option and specify the fillet this edge and the another edge, this one, and the fillet distance will be 10. Accept it and accept. I believe it's correct completely. So this much is done. Now we have to do the front portion. Let's see next what we have to do. Next we have to do this 54 width portion, and the entire portion we will be doing, and we will start from the mid plane because this width is situated in symmetrically. So we will start from mid plane and let's see step by step how to do it. Now we have to draw the front view. For that, just click on the line and from this point to end point draw it, and then rest of the sketch we will draw randomly, and then next we will provide the value. From the center to this line, it is 6 mm. From this point to this point, it is 6 mm. Okay, and the total distance is provided 140 mm. That means this point to the origin, it is 140 mm. 140 mm. Okay, fine. Next we have to specify this value. Now this is from this line to the origin, it is 40 mm as mentioned, and then accept it. Next we have to draw this 16 mm line. Sorry, 18 mm line. This is 18 mm. Fine. Now, yes, this is 18 mm. Now we have to draw this circle. For that, we will make this line as a construction line. And now, I'll draw it. It should touch the top line. So, and then provide the diameter. It is 60. D equal to 60 here. Now, okay. This point should be coincide with the end line. Now it is constrained. Now we have to make a tangent line. Simply select this line and select this circle and then make it tangent. So trim off the excess line. Okay, clear this much and then exit from the 2D sketch. Now click on Extrude, select the close sketch, make it mid-plane extension and provide the thickness as provided 54. Fine, I believe this much is clear. Now, next we have to create the next portion. So our next portion is this circular extended portion. So we will be doing this on it and then click on sketch. Now click on the circle, move your cursor to the quadrant of the circle so that the origin, so that the center will be automatically visible. Then click on the center and then drag it and place on the quadrant. This is not constrained, so for some reason it is not placed properly, so I have to provide the dimension. How much is the dimension? It is same 60 mm. Now it accept it and exit from the 2D sketch. Now we have to calculate the extra extended circular portion. So total the value is provided as we can see in this drawing. It's 24 plus 24 plus the part is 18. So I'll plus all the value. It is totally 66. Now minus this thickness is 54. So minus 54 equal to 12. Now divided by 2. So each side is 6 mm. So we can understand this extra circular portion is 6 mm. Now select this sketch and click on extruded boss, and then after direction, then choose the direction of blind and then specify the value as 6 mm and then accept it. You can repeat the same process in this side as well, but I will just mirror it to save the time. So for the mirror, I should choose a symmetrical plane. So let's see, if I get a symmetrical plane is well and good. If I don't get a symmetrical plane, then we can create a symmetrical plane by using the reference plane. But here I am getting the symmetrical plane. The right plane is exactly situated in the mid plane. So I can use this right plane for my mirror work. So here, after choosing the plane, click on mirror. Here see the plane is been already selected. Now click inside the features to be mirror. So first choose it. Once you click inside the mirror option, this option box will be turned into blue in color. Next you specify the exact features what you want to mirror. Hope this is clear with you. In case if you still have any doubt, you may provide me the comment. I'll try to clear all your doubts. And now accept it. Now this is perfectly alright. Now select this face and go to sketch. Again the same process. Click on the circle, move your cursor towards the quadrant so that the center will be automatically updated, and then click on that and then draw your circle, and then right click, accept it, specify the diameter. Now it is, I believe it is 36. Okay, accept it and then do the extrude cut. So this much is clear with you. If you still have any problem, please let me know. Option is remain. One is this rib and another is this cut is there. So we will do one after another. Now next step, we have to create the extrude cut here as mentioned. So select this face and go to sketch, and now draw the vertical line from this origin from this end point, and then draw it, and then draw a horizontal line and then drop down and close it. So this point to this origin has to be 18. Yes, it is 18, so I am not providing it. And next is this value is 60, and then this distance will be 12 as mentioned in the drawing. Accept it and exit. Now the extrude, we have to use the extrude cut, and then the cut will be 18 mm from this face. Hope this much is clear. Next option is we have to create a rib, and here we have to do a extrude cut again. We will do one after another. So this much is correct, and save it. Save it once again so that I should not lose my file. And then again next we will do the rib. Next only one option is remain, that is we need to create a cut over the top face. So select this face and go to sketch. It is very easy. Now randomly I will be drawing a corner rectangle to get not the center rectangle. Just randomly draw a corner rectangle. Now this middle extrude cut is total thickness is 18. So from the origin to this line it is 9 mm, and from this end line to this origin this is 9 mm. 9 mm, that's it. And this distance we have to calculate. It is from the center, it is 24 mm away. So that means from here to this center it is, I'll just click on the axis, okay, and now make it normal too. From this center to this line it is 24 mm. So this has become 24. That's all. The total distance is not required because here it is given from the center to the end point it is 24 mm. So my sketch is completely alright and it is constrained as well. This distance is not required as because I am doing the extrude cut. It will remove the material. So as much it will get the material, that much only it will remove the material, no extra material will be cut off. So this portion I am not providing any value. That's the reason I am not making this in as a constraint sketch. So I think it's clear with you. And now exit from the 2D sketch and now do the extrude cut. Just pull it down, that's it, and then accept. See, now off the temporary axis from here. Now it is perfectly alright, and if you want you can specify the material or color as per the requirement you choose it. So here I am providing the appearance, so I think I should go with this red one. Yeah, now it's okay. Hope this tutorial is clear with you. So if you think this tutorial is helpful for your self-learning purpose, then please do like and share with your learner friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And today I'll stop here. I'll get back very soon with some more useful video. So thank you so much for watching.